Did you hear the buzz about a new vibe coding tool from Google that's designed to shake up how we build applications? It's called Firebase Studio, and in this video, we're going to break down exactly what it is. This is the first part of our series diving deep into this exciting new platform. But before that, please subscribe to / and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. So, what is Firebase Studio really? Imagine a complete development environment powerful enough for serious work, but running entirely inside your web browser. That's the core idea. No more complex local machine setups installing tons of dependencies, or worrying if your environment matches your teammates. Just open a browser tab, log in, and you're ready to code from pretty much anywhere. Google calls it an agentic, cloud-based development environment. We'll unpack that agentic word in a minute. Now, think about building a modern app today, especially one with AI features. You're probably juggling a bunch of different tools, right? Your local code editor, maybe a separate UI for interacting with an AI model like Gemini, the Firebase console for backend stuff, maybe another tool for testing, command line tools for deployment. It gets complicated fast. All that context switching between different windows and interfaces really slows you down. Firebase Studio wants to change all that. Its main goal is to seriously speed up the entire development lifecycle for full-stack applications. We're talking everything from the initial idea and building a quick prototype, all the way through writing the actual code, testing it, deploying it, and even getting some basic monitoring insights. There's a huge emphasis on making it easier to build applications that use artificial intelligence, things like AI-powered APIs, backends, web frontends, even mobile apps. If you're already familiar with Firebase, you might be wondering, how does this fit in with the Firebase console I already use? That's a great question. Think of it this way. The Firebase console is mostly for managing your deployed project, configuring services, checking analytics, monitoring performance. Firebase Studio is where you build the application itself. It's a major evolution for Firebase. It's not just another small feature. It's pulling together several key Google technologies into one unified experience. It builds on Google's Cloud IDE work. So Project IDX is basically now part of Firebase Studio. It deeply integrates AI like the Gemini models and the Genkit framework for building AI flows. And of course, it connects seamlessly with all the traditional Firebase backend services like authentication, Firestore, and hosting. This really positions Firebase as more than just backend tools. It's becoming an end-to-end development platform aiming to help you much earlier in your workflow. Okay, back to that word, agentic. What does Google mean by an agentic environment? It means the AI powered by Gemini isn't just sitting there waiting for you to ask it a question or tell it to complete some code. The idea is that the AI is more proactive. It's woven into the whole experience, designed to anticipate your needs, offer suggestions, help with debugging, and even perform actions on your behalf, like applying code changes or setting up infrastructure. Think of it less like a simple tool and more like an AI assistant or pair programmer that's deeply integrated into your workspace. So, who is Firebase Studio actually for? It's designed for a pretty broad audience. If you're new to building AI features, the built-in assistants can really help you get started faster. If you're an experienced developer, you can bring your own custom tools and configurations into this cloud environment. It's especially focused on developers building full-stack applications. The back-end, the front-end may be a mobile interface plus APIs. It's great for rapid prototyping, quickly spinning up demos for clients without messing with local setups. And it could be really useful in education for student projects or coding bootcamps. The core value proposition of Firebase Studio is all about reducing friction and boosting speed. Less time wrestling with environment setup, less time bouncing between different tools and websites, and a much faster path from opening your browser to having a deployed working application. Google's aiming for minutes, not hours, to get started building. In the upcoming videos in this series, we're going to dive much deeper. We'll explore the IDE itself, see Gemini assistants in action, check out the amazing app prototyping agent, look at testing, deployment, collaboration features, and a lot more. So, that's the high-level introduction to Firebase Studio. Stick around for the next video where we'll get hands-on and set up our first workspace.